Greenly is both a platform, so a website, and also a team of climate experts. So we use, as climate experts, the website to help our clients calculate their carbon emissions in the easiest way. And we have more than 1,000 clients at the moment, most of them in Europe and more in the USA.
We're seeing more and more states, as well as the federal government, leaning in to understand how a company's operations impact the environment from an emissions standpoint. And so for us, it was really about staying ahead of the regulatory drivers requiring companies to disclose emissions. And we wanted to do that with a partner who understood how to guide companies through this process, how to help companies set achievable goals to reduce emissions over time.
The Net Zero Contributor certification process aims at helping our clients be on a net zero path. So it has different pillars. One of them is to engage their employees, so to train the employees on what is climate change, what is at stake, and what can be done against it. Another pillar is to engage the suppliers. So our clients work with their own suppliers in order to reduce their suppliers' footprint and to work hand in hand on that topic. Another pillar is to reduce themselves their own emissions. And to that end, what we do is that we select the most significant emissions categories, and we calculate potential reduction actions with our clients. So we can have a strategy that precisely says from one year to another how much they can reduce.
For us, Net Zero Contributor certification was about building a credible net zero action plan. And while we didn't have the opportunity to achieve our Net Zero Contributor certification in our first year of review, it gave us a really great opportunity to have conversations about understanding our emissions profile, understanding what we can control, and understanding where we need to lean in to work on things over time. It brought our executive leadership team into the conversation and really helped us align around the fact that this isn't an overnight process. It's something that takes time. And for us to get to a space to have our emissions profile really on par with other global companies looking to examine and better understand these types of information at this time, that we have work to do. And we're ready to lean in and really set those actions in place.
Despite the fact that the targets was not reached for 4840, I'm very confident that this company is on a great climate strategy, and I'm very excited to see what happens in the future.
Our customers benefit from our partnership because it gives us the opportunity to provide very transparent and verified data around our emissions profile. It's not work that's just been done in-house. This is work that we've had the opportunity to have reviewed and have verified. And this is important when we see groups like the Security Exchange Commission or the SEC releasing requirements that bring companies to be sharing emissions data alongside their financial data. Those companies need to have assurance that the information that they're sharing has been verified and can withstand regulatory scrutiny. And if you think about the fact that 70% of a company's emissions are embedded in their supply chain practices, when we as a partner, a supply chain partner to our customers, can come to our customers and say, this is our carbon footprint, this is the emission profile of our product, and this is our action plan to reduce those emissions over time, it creates a really powerful partnership for our customers. We're on this journey with them together, and we're supporting them to lean in and better understand how operations impact the environment from an emissions standpoint.